Do you know how to stay safe during Black Friday? Hi, I'm Holly from Vigilant Security Guarding's YouTube channel. In today's video, we were talking all about how to keep safe during the Black Friday sales. Black Friday is a common time for crimes. Last year in the UK, there was a 17% increase of crimes and online scams during this time. Some of the most common crimes during this time are shoplifting, break-ins, theft, riots, and shopping scams. How can businesses keep safe during Black Friday? Many businesses, such as retail stores, will want to keep their property safe during the time of Black Friday. The best ways to do this would be by installing security cameras and by hiring security guards. Security cameras can add an extra layer of protection and they can survey blind spots on your property, while security guards can showcase a strong security presence and they can act as a visual deterrent against thieves. Security guards are also able to patrol different areas of your property while keeping a watchful eye out for criminals. How do you stay safe online during Black Friday? Black Friday not only targets physical stores, but it can also target online businesses, and many customers often fall victim to online shopping scams. The best way to stay safe online during Black Friday is to do research beforehand on what websites you're going to visit. Only use websites that you trust, to make sure that you have a good internet connection, and to make sure that you only shop on a secure Wi-Fi or internet connection. Black Friday safety tip. Whether you are shopping online or in a store, it's extremely important to stay safe during Black Friday. But what tips should you be following? In a moment, we'll be counting down our top 5 tips for staying safe. Let's get into it. Tip 1. Be vigilant when shopping. Our first tip is to always be vigilant whilst you are shopping. Criminals are most likely to attack in a busier setting, so it's important that when you're shopping on Black Friday, that you are constantly aware of your surroundings and that you're vigilant. Being vigilant allows you to stay more alert, and the more alert you are, the more you can watch out for any potential thieves. Tip 2. Use a VPN when shopping online in public areas. Our second tip is to always use a VPN when you're shopping online in public areas. If you're shopping online or using public Wi-Fi, you should consider using a VPN for more protection. VPN, which stands for Virtual Private Network, is a service that will connect your internet connection whilst you're using public Wi-Fi. VPNs also add another layer of protection to your security, and they can prevent hackers from hacking into your personal information. Tip 3. Keep your valuables close to you. Our next tip is always keep your valuables close to you. Theft tends to happen in more crowded areas or busier settings, so it's important that when you're shopping to keep all of your valuables close to you or in a secure area, as this will make it harder for thieves to steal them. Tip 4. Always plan ahead. Our fourth tip is plan ahead. Planning ahead is always a good safety tip to follow, as it allows you to be more prepared. Before you decide to go shopping on Black Friday, you should do research into where you're shopping, what you're going to buy, and whether you're shopping alone. Tip 5. If you can, shop in a group. Our fifth and final tip is if you can, shop in a group. It's a known fact that there's safety in numbers, and thieves are less likely to attack a bigger group of people. So it's always a good idea to go shopping with someone if you can. Furthermore, shopping with someone can increase your safety and it can make you feel a bit more comfortable. So that's the end of our video. Did you find these tips helpful? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can keep up to date with all the latest security guarding news. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you in the next one.